I'd give you a quick update what we've been working on. Since the last episode, I told you we're going to be painting this weekend, but of course that's already changed. We're making good headway on the veneer inside here on the cabinets, so wanted to stick with that, get that knocked out this weekend. We're going to push the painting till next weekend when Katie can help me. So here we go. All the veneer is done on all the face frames. You can see now you can really see the radius corners. There's the cutouts for some of the equipment. We'll be veneering the doors today. Here's the bottoms. Again, you can see white oak veneer. Here's the 3/8 radius on the inside and outside corners. And there's the bases all trimmed out and first sanded. They'll need all to be sanded out to 220 before we do any more finishing, but we're getting close. You saw the pieces laid out in the last episode. Here they are stacked up, marked. So that's what I'll be working on today. Thought you'd appreciate that. Got a couple other things here we're going to show you. Thought we'd show you what we came up with for air, onboard air. Our bus is a short bus. It only has hydraulic brakes, no air brakes, so no onboard air compressor. However, we did have a big rear air conditioner that we're not using anymore and a leftover compressor, which you can see right down in there. There's the compressor. And there you can see that's the inlet air filter we added, and that's the output right there. And that goes down to right here. And this is an old tank from an old air compressor we had laying around the shop. Didn't use it anymore. Plus we got about a half dozen of these little ones. So there's a quick connect. So we've got air whenever we need it. Just hook our hose up and air chuck to that or whatever. You can blow things up. You know the routine. Air pressure gauge. That's the switch right there that tells the clutch on the air compressor to turn cycle on and off. That's a 90 to 120 pound switch. So off at 120, on at 90. And then there are our air horns. You can see the solenoid right there. That's hooked up to that tank. And then that wire right there just goes to one of our old horn connections. So when you push the button on the wheel, there she blows. Anyhow, thought you guys might appreciate that. I know there's more than a couple of you that are in the same situation. Need air, have no air. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.
Ah,